Okay, Aussie Swiss, my favorite. I love the Swiss pair. So you can see that this is just super clean setup. Everything functioned properly the way I like it to. So price rejected this area many times. Boom, 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 boom. Finally broke. You can see there would have been a little level here. And then price just finally, boom, right through it. So, and now retested that area. So, I mean, we're obviously super bearish. We're looking for, this is our monthly range down to 55.60. It's about 300 pips. So that's what I'm still targeting for. I think there's still money in this to be made. If you want to get another entry on, you can see it's still creating lower lows and lower highs. This is the 4 hour, but it's just textbook perfect price action. So our next area of entry could possibly be right here. We'll even extend this into this little wick here. You can see that there's some wicks here that it also would have, you know, price, you can see respected, finally broke, and now retested. So I do like this area of entry. I would just extend these a little bit more, make the zone a little bit thicker. And so also what will happen, and is really in our favor, is that Aussie Swiss, because there was this zone here, obviously, that it broke now. And you can see it may or may have not created another zone right below it. I think it kind of already did, and then we'll see what happens when price comes back up. If it starts respecting this area, that means we just created a new lower zone below this previous one, which is also good to see that, because that means that price is just going to continue to move in our favor. So it's literally setting supply zones for sellers, for bears, for short sellers, to keep entering it lower and lower and lower. So every time price tries to pull back up, there's an area where people can sell it, and those areas are getting less and less and less, so are lower and lower and lower. So that's perfect. That's what you want to see. So as of right now, I mean, this is your primary area to short, which would be this. It's still this main area because we don't know for sure if this area is going to hold. But if price comes up to it and it seems like it's holding, then I mean, might consider it. You can set your stop above all these wicks here just to be safe. It would be something like this. If price comes back up to this area, I'm actually going to set an alert because I want to jump on this if price hits this area and starts rejecting. And then yeah, we're going to target this 55.6 area. I want to see price might come up and respect this moving average. You can see it already did. This is the 1 hour. You can see it respected it, this, just perfectly here, and then pulled back. Nice bearish engulfing candle here, and then lower lows, lower highs, like just perfect. So I really like the Swiss pairs. Aussie Swiss is great. I like the Aussie pairs too. So I mean, this one really works well. So this is the trade I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to come back up to here. 57.18, and then look for that short entry all the way down to 55.6 here. See if we can get a better risk to reward. The pair has moved about half of its monthly range already. You can see the top of the month was about 58.6 up here, so it's about halfway, but there's still money to be made. It's still got room to go, so got a couple weeks left in the month. So yeah, I think it can do it. Got this little area here that it's kind of developing. You can see price touched, now touched 2 more times, so we might get a bit of a pullback first thing, tonight, actually Sunday night, and then boom, something like that. That's what we're looking for on Aussie Swiss. So keep that in mind, guys. Maybe set an alert here at 57.18, and get ready to jump on that position. So that's Aussie Swiss.